Here are the top Black Friday deals under $50 I found at Home Depot. Starting off with this super bass job site speaker with LED lights and a microphone. So if you want to bust out in a karaoke session while you're trying to get work done on a job site, you can have at it. Has 10 hours of playtime. Has LED lights around the speakers, around the outside of the frame here. It's made by Tizumi, and that job site speaker was $29. Next up is this handheld vacuum and blower that's cordless and rechargeable for only $19.88. It's called the Pocket Vac. It's a 2-in-1 vac and blower. It's compact and portable. It has powerful air blower. It has 4 different nozzles. It has a Type-C charging USB plug. Next on the list is this contemporary electronic deadbolt made by Quickset for only $39.88. You can program up to 25 codes in it, and it also has the smart key system, so you can change the key also. Very easily done. It's also pick resistant and bump proof. Next up is this 3-piece adjustable wrench set made by Husky. It comes with a lifetime warranty and also this 3-piece locking plier set. This Husky wrench set or locking plier set is $13. All Husky tools do, or at least majority of them do, come with a lifetime warranty, so that's very good. You can just take them back to the store and exchange them for a new one. This is a great variety pack of locking pliers. It's always good to have these on hand for projects you never know you'll need them for. Next up is this 11-piece half-inch drive deep socket impact wrench set. Now this comes in both metric and SAE, so it's not both together, so you have to decide which one you'd want, or both. These are priced for $34.97 each. Here are the sizes that it comes in metric and then SAE. Next on the list is this rechargeable light with power bank made by Husky for only $19. It's 500 lumens, 3-in-1, so it has a work light as well as a flashlight, and it also has a magnetic strip to it, and it also comes with a chargeable the charge cable. That's a USB-C. It does have 5 modes, so to where you can change the lumen output of it, and then it tells you how many hours each mode will last on the charge. Next on the list is a 600 lumen compact rechargeable inspection light, also made by Husky, also priced at $19.88. It's water resistant, comes with a USB-C plug to charge it, and it also has a lifetime warranty. Next up is this exclusive Byte 10-piece impact nut driver set, also made by Husky for $19.97. Lifetime warranty. The thing that's great about this nut driver set is that it has a hollow shaft, so like a threaded rod would be able to fit inside of that shaft, so you could twist on a nut. So it makes it more convenient to use than like an adjustable wrench. And here are the sizes it comes in. Again, this is also another set that's SAE or millimeter, so be sure to pick out the one you want. If you're liking this video, please give me a thumbs up. It'll really help the channel and I appreciate it. Now here are great deals by Milwaukee. Each of these are $19, but if you buy more, you can save more. You have a choice of 3-pack utility knife set, 7-inch rafter squares, a 2-pack of 25 feet magnetic tape measures, a 2-pack of folding hex key set, and a screwdriver set. There's also a 2-pack of pliers. So if you buy multiple sets of these, you have a chance of saving even more money. And here are the 2 plier set right here. Next up is the exclusive 46-piece stubby tool set by Husky. Also has a lifetime warranty, and it's $19.97. It's a great compact set to have on hand in the household. It has both SAE and millimeter sockets, so it's a great all-around kit for assembling items. Next on the list is exclusive 110-piece Homeowner's tool kit. This is a great set to have. Comes with the most common tools that are needed around the house for basic projects, hanging pictures or anything else. Scissors, level, adjustable wrench, and pliers, and it comes in a hard carry case as well. It's a great set to give for someone who has not been a homeowner and will be a homeowner now and doesn't have any tools. This is a great all-around kit for basic tasks on hand. Next up is this Bosch 50-foot self-leveling cross-line laser level. It's something good to have on hand, especially doing little projects around the house, leveling off shelves and pictures, tile. It's very versatile. It's powered by 2 AA batteries. It's moisture resistant. If you don't have one of these in tool bag, now's the time to get one. And here's the Bosch Blaze 100-foot laser measure. This is another great item to have on hand. It goes up to 100 feet. This is a red laser one. It's a practical tool to have to go around and take measurements of rooms or walls, and it's fairly accurate too. Next on the list is this 2500 lumen hybrid power float rechargeable spotlight for $29.97, made by Husky. It's rechargeable and it's waterproof down to 1 meter a depth, and it has 6 modes of different brightnesses as well as red lights, and it comes with a USB-C charging cable. Something like this would be great to have in the car or truck, especially for emergencies, to have a powerful spotlight like this. And here are the different modes of the lights. Very handy light to have on hand, and here's how long it will last for the different modes. Next on the list is this battery storage and light by Battery Daddy. It has a light that's also a 1000 lumen light, holds up to 42 batteries, has an onboard light that's 1000 lumens. Great for emergencies to have on hand. Very convenient to have a light with the battery storage together. Next up is this tool belt by Firm Grip. It's $49. This is a great entry range of a tool belt, and the tool belt itself has an aluminum locking mechanism. This is a great starter pouch. It'll hold most basic tools. It also has a hammer holster. You can carry just what you need in this pouch. Most basic tools, like little hand tools. It's made of military grade nylon, leather reinforced, and it has a limited lifetime warranty. That's the durable aluminum quick release buckle. It makes it easy to clasp and then unclasp. And they sell other assortments of different tool pouches you can add to this belt as well. Not bad for $49. Next up is this DeWalt Max Fit Ultra 120-piece drill and drive set with a tough case for only $29. This is a great assortment of different bits and drill bits as well. It has long screwdriver in it, and also different bits, and even I think it's a 1/2 inch or 3/8 nut driver. These are impact rated. It's a great all-around kit in this little case, and if you're already in the tough case system, this will stack on top of the other one and lock in place. But as you can see here, they're selling out quick, so if it's on your list, you might as well head to the store while you have a chance to possibly get one. When you're walking around these deal zones areas of these stores, you can tell that these are good deals when most of them are sold out. Next on the list is this Milwaukee Packout Shockwave Impact 90-bit set. Comes with this packout case as well as 90 different screw bits for only $49. The packout by itself is probably about $40, or maybe even $29. It's right around that, so it's definitely a good deal. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more DIY tips, tricks, and reviews, as well as these deal videos.